Here are some tips to help you grow your YouTube channel. Number 1. Create high quality content. Make sure your videos are well made, engaging, and offer value to your audience. Focus on creating content that is relevant to your niche and interest your viewers. Number 2. Optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and text to help your videos appear in search results. Number 3. Promote your videos on social media. Share your videos on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram to reach a wider audience. Number 4. Collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche can help you reach new viewers and build your audience. Number 5. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and interact with your viewers to build a community around your channel. Number 6. Use eye-catching thumbnails. Create custom thumbnails that accurately represent your videos and make them stand out in search results. Number 7. Post consistently. Set a schedule for posting new videos and stick to it. Consistent posting can help you build a loyal audience. Number 8. Analyze your performance. Use YouTube Analytics to track your performance, identify trends, and adjust your strategy as needed. Remember that growing a YouTube channel takes time and effort. Stay consistent, keep experimenting with different content and promotion strategies, and keep engaging with your audience to build a loyal community around your channel.